Let's talk about renters and home insurance. So if you rent, you need renter's insurance, and that's because most apartment complexes and landlords only have insurance that covers the damage to the actual dwelling, leaving your belongings vulnerable. So, personal property. Most standard policies offer protection for your belongings in case of power surges, water damage, fire, vandalism, theft, and other events out of your control. Most do not cover damage caused by flood water, earthquakes, mudslides, or nuclear hazards. Certain types of property will only be covered up to the limit set by your insurance company. $2,500 for electronics and $1,500 for jewelry and furs, for example. So, loss of use. Your policy also covers your living expenses in case you must leave your home after an accident. And liability. The liability coverage pays for bodily injury and property damage caused by negligence. So when you're buying renter's insurance, look for that personal property, loss of use, and liability. So if you own a home, you need home insurance. So homeowner's insurance is required by your mortgage lender. So it protects your home from loss. Standard homeowner's insurance safeguards your home and unattached structures on your property from a multitude of hazards, including wind damage, fire, vandalism, tornadoes, hurricanes, and thunderstorms. The coverage on your average home policy steps in to help pay for repairs and replacements, so you're not left footing that bill. So when you're purchasing or renewing your homeowner's insurance, make sure that your policy pays out damages on a replacement cost basis rather than an actual cash value basis, so that you can ensure that you get the most financial protection possible. So home insurance also covers your personal belongings. So if your stuff is stolen or destroyed by a covered hazard, home insurance may reimburse you for the value of those items. So those items could be things like furniture, electronics, appliances, clothing, etc. So your policy also protects your stuff anywhere in the world, whether it's at your place, in your car, with your kid at school, or even in storage. So next, home insurance protects your liability. So it covers you in the event of a lawsuit arising from an injury on your property. And lastly, it includes temporary housing after disaster. So if your home is rendered uninhabitable after like a brutal hailstorm or a fire, additional living expense coverage, which is standard in most home insurance policies, could help pay for temporary living costs while your home is being worked on. Those costs may include hotel expenses or interim housing, food, laundry, dry cleaning, storage space, and internet/cable connection.